Hello, welcome to Yifan Business Services. Today we will show you how to easily book flights through our website. Let us begin. Upon entering our homepage, you will receive a pop-up asking whether you would like to be taken to our booking page. Click Yes. You can now book the flight of your choice. Whether it's a round trip or a one-way flight, we've got you covered. Select the place of departure and arrival, then the date of travel, and choose your preferred class, then click Search. You can now choose your preferred flight either through prices or through your preferred airline. As you can see, we have partnered with many airlines, hence giving you, our esteemed customer, many options to choose from. Once you have selected your flight, you can click the flight details to get more information about the flight itinerary, fare rules, baggage, and the fare breakup. Provide us with your passport information in order for our system to create a PNR for you. After filling out the information needed, click Continue to Payment. Thank you for watching our website navigation tutorial.